Alright, Czars. Alright. You don't even have your camera on. You don't even care.
I can turn it on if it'll make you feel better.
No, it won't.
There, it's on now.
I need to get this shit right here, though. I need this. Right into the sun. Look at that. Look at that shot. Terrible. But on this camera, it's good. Hey! Oh, I don't know how to ride a bike. What's up, dude? Oh no, my socks are out. Oh man, your ankles are out. We don't look cool at all anymore. You're wheeling towards a wall. Life is okay. It's okay. Don't do it. Oh, he didn't do it. Suicide by wheeling into that wall at 5 miles an hour. And you wouldn't have died. You would have just been, it would have been hilarious though. Nah, totally. Oh, look at that. Getting fancy with it. Towards the wall. Foot still. I want to do that too. I want to do it next. I call next on the construction manuals. Littering and... See guys, this is why we didn't buy leader bikes, because we like doing, we like tearing up manuals in parking lots, and Groms are better equipped for that. Yeah, let's touch that. Let's throw that in the garbage. Do you want to keep a razor blade? I think that razor blade has cancer AIDS. Why don't you put it down? It does look kind of dickheaded. I guess I should get it. What was it a manual to? Try to just... Oh, you're right. These are the tools you need. I turned mine off to conserve fuel. Because, you know, I get 100 miles to the gallon. I can't be fucking around. Damn it, I gotta do that. There we go, here we go. I figured it out. Super high flow, super quiet exhaust. Check this shit out. It's not cheating. This is really good exhaust right here if you're trying to be quiet and not lose horsepower. Here, you gotta open the other end up. So you hear it now, right? See, it's awesome, dude. If we were really nice, we'd stick that in a dumpster. No clutch. It's like that game Snake, you can't run over your own tail. Hey fucker! Ah, you fuck face! What? You fuckhead! Looks like a giant fucking mega dildo for a giant. Feels like that Centipede movie. What fucking... No, because it's Africa, so of course they're bigger. Do It With Dan told me to fucking watch it. But it was really funny because I crashed, like here, and this is exactly where, what's his name crashed too. Like my crash started there, but me and Ryan ended up in the same place. Look at that. Look at you just going around the trash cans. Those wheelies are garbage, Czars. They're garbage. Get it? It's like a dad joke. Never mind, don't worry about it. I can see that. I want to drive it. I want to like take a turn to the left and pop a curb as I'm going around it and just roll the fuck out of it. It's the Tilt Master? Is that what it's called? The Tilt Master. But you got a handbrake. Woo! That just happened. Oh, fuck. Damn it. You have a protected lane. You have a protected lane. No hands. Amazing skill. I mean, I'm still in 4th gear though. We gotta do something about that. No, he's doing a wheelie. That's what's taking him so long. He's just back there, belligerent as fuck, just doing a damned wheelie. And here comes the stopping. He's gonna put it down just in time to get some speed and do this. Woo! So predictable. What a basic bitch. Remember when I used to come here all the time in the DRZ back in the day? The fuck they got going on out here? Just look at all this shit. This used to be my lake out here. Remember my lake? Remember my fucking lake, boys? It's all gone now. You go all Travis Pastrana and do a backflip. Like, realistically, with a dirt bike, imagine, you know, on camera, it's not going to look like it does. Imagine just actually charging this and just going off the top of it. Because that's pretty much what those fuckers do. Like, I can't even stop. Like, that's full lock on the front brake there. So I'm fucking rally racing. How can we get 2 in there? Actually, we could get 2 in there. That's totally possible. Yeah, hold the clutch in it. It should come out pretty easy. That's the coolest thing we've ever done. And an orange Charger. God bless America. Come with me. I know these are terrible for you, but get that sugar-free one. Where is it at? What's going on, man? Yep, that's it. Shane's up there just going put it on the fake money, the credit. Look at me floating, boys. We'll pay for it later. The American dream. You too.